Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give replies to your peer post in the discussion forum. Follow my lead. Click the course which discussion forum you want to enter. Now you're in the course page. Click on the unit you're currently working on. This will lead you to the units page. Now click on the unit and it'll show you a drop-down like this. Scroll down a bit and click on discussion forum of that particular unit. Now you're in the forum, but there's a slight difference from OpenLMS, so you'll have to click Open Discussion to view every posts in the forum. Now we are in the forum. Let's scroll down to select which of the posts we will like to give a reply to. Yes, I'll go with this. Now click on the post topic like this and it'll take you to another tab where you can reply to the post. After writing your reply, scroll down a bit and you'll see options to upload additional documents. This is optional, so I'll skip it and click on Post to submit my reply. We are done. Click on the drop-down arrow next to your name to edit or delete your reply if there's any error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. Happy studying, see you in the next one. Bye.